Montage music.
Nah.
No! Why was this?
Because he's really fast. I like him.
You think so? Maybe Percy and Dash are.
Yeah, maybe.
Like, I changed the tree. Dash has a little twist. Percy has a big twist.
All right.
They're both fast.
I think Dash is faster.
To get a light on. But they're both faster.
Yeah.
This one's squiggly. Why made this one squiggly?
I don't know.
Why made three tracks?
Why did I make... We made it together.
Percy and Dash are catching up. You're right, Dash is faster.
Yeah.
So you like the YouTube guy?
Yeah. Let's get more trains going. No? Oh, yeah. Very good.
Alright, Zach asked for this one.
What is this one?
Tick, tick, boom.
Oh, okay.
Tick, tick, tick,
I also have numbers all last thing.
tick.
Uh-oh. Percy fell.
Dash
2007. That's why I never heard of it.
Mine is done.
Are we pausing it now?
Yeah. Now let's try my car.
I'm gonna start with 2 seconds.
Back together. Can you fix this part?
Yeah, after I put this on the computer.
Can I see the number on the cup?
Are you still on?
I'm taping the train.
Where's the truck that goes to the hospital?
We didn't find it, did we?
Where's the car? Where's the car? I want the car upstairs.